is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Bro, what is this? Oh, I don't need you right now. But yeah, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, as you guys can see, we're in the GR86 and we are currently going to a car meet right now, and we're about to go meet up with some boys. Well, actually running a little late, so we're gonna meet there and it's gonna be a cruise. Bro, shut up, I don't need you, bro. Yes, bro, damn. Hey guys, I'm also gonna give you guys a little POV drive as well. Damn, what was that? But hey guys, I'm gonna give you guys a little ASMR. Unequaling tome headers. Sheesh. Now let's hear the downshift. Let's hear the downshift. I don't know if you guys can see, but sheesh, GR looking so clean. I'm not gonna lie, one thing, the reason why I don't like black rim is because you literally can't see anything at night. It's literally just pitch black. But
we're gonna be on his next vlog.
Whoop there, whoop there. All right, guys, but yeah, we're finna head out right now. We're already running a little late, like I said, but you know, it's all good. But yeah, it's gonna be a really good turnout because it's gonna be a underground structure, so it's gonna be really good turnout. And yeah, hey, you never rode with me in the GR, right? Bro, I actually forgot. I thought you never
Actually, I don't even think I've driven with you in it. I think I sat in it, but
yeah, you never win in it. You never yeah, exactly, bro. All right, today I'm gonna get his reaction, guys. Plus this is gonna be a good vlog, plus reaction, because you never been in the GR. But that's just so loud, bro. If I get pulled over, I don't even know what I'm gonna do.
Did you put the radar on there?
Oh, I forgot, bro. Yeah, bro, honestly, you guys, if you guys saw me having a radar on the GR, and some of you guys are like, why does he have a radar on the GR86, bro? It's a slow car, but it's literally just because it's so loud, and I guess it kind of beats the odd a little bit. Click it, yeah, there you go, now it's recording. All right, guys, I'm gonna get my boys.
All right, bro, this is gonna be the, hold up, let me zip my pockets up.
Let's go. Whoop there, whoop there.
God damn. Hey, bro, this shit low-key moves.
Right here. This is right, so I'm gonna bring it right. So I can change the gauges too. The handle on this shit is so good. Let me chill, bro.
Oh my god, that shit is flying.
Yeah. Anyways, you guys, we'll catch you guys there, because you know, we're about to do a little swimming. Because we can't show that on camera. Because hey, all this was filmed by Unity. It's fake. Uniden fucking.
And in Mexico, bro. We're in Mexico.
We're in Mexico right now.
We're in Mexico.
We're dead ass in Mexico, you guys, bro. And this is all just like, it's a video game. It's not real.
It's AI. It's AI.
generated.
It's AI generated.
We're AI right now. Yeah, guys, this is like probably like straight out of Tokyo Drift, because it's like literally underground. Look how many people there is, bro. Dude, should we just park on the surface?
Bro, yeah.
It's probably not hard parking though. All right, you guys, we parked outside, and it's gonna be a little walk because I don't know what happened. Was that a Stance Tuesday? What was it? Everyone got like blocked off in there. Everyone got like a state ref. Yeah. So yeah, if you guys are located in SoCal and then like you guys follow like the car meets and stuff, yeah, people got blocked in literally in the building, and then they got state ref, so it's all bad. And I don't want to risk anything on the GR because I still want to make content, and there's so much more to do to the GR86. Out of Q50. All right, guys, we're approaching the location. Sheesh. Where is this at? Oh, is this to Alex?
Yeah.
Where is he at? Why is he that far?
I don't know, bro.
Oh, look, there he is. Oh, he got. Oh, that's the YouTuber, bruh. No, that's a TikTok I was talking about. Whoop there, whoop there. Huh?
Alex? Yeah, Alex, Kayla, and then I guess Jennifer and them pulled up.
Newport 1 a.m. We got an S3 right here. gotta get over.
Ah, shit.
Alright, y'all, trying to get some pho. I hope you guys like that set of course of gameplay. Really realistic. So yeah, we made this video with Unreal Engine 5. So everything was recorded with CGI, and it was all just, oh look at that. I forgot he was with the pack, bro.